from Valai ERP, your trusted school management software. In this video, let me explain how easy fees collection can be made using Valai ERP in Admin Login. To get started, simply open valaiERP.com and enter your login credentials. Go to Fees, click Fees Setting, add your fee type according to your school like tuition fees, hostel fees or transportation fees. Select due date and click Create. Next, click Quota Management. Click Add Quota, enter the quota details if any and click Save. Next, click Configuration to configure the settings. You may enable or disable the term-wise option. Next, in single payment discount, you can give the discount as fixed amount or you can change it to percentage. Next, you can keep the discount status enable if any special discount to be given to the student, or you can make it disable if the discount is not required. Now I am keeping it enable. And let me save the settings. Select class, select section, select student, the fee is displayed as per the configuration settings. To give discount, click discount and enter the discount amount. Enter the discount amount to be given. Click Create to create discount. See, the discount is created. You also have an option of paying the fees partially accordingly. Enter the fees to be paid. I am paying partial amount now. Now click Confirm and Pay. That's it. Fee is successfully paid and receipt is generated. To disable the discount, go to Configuration Settings and click Disable. And save. Now again go to Fees Collection. Select the class. Select the section. Select the student. See, the discount is disabled. Now you can pay the balance amount. Click Confirm and Pay. That's it. The receipt is generated. To download the fee receipt, you may go to Fee Receipt. Select the class, select the section, select the student, click Generate. Download the receipt. To know more about fees collection, click Fee Instruction and follow the steps. That's it. Fee collection is made simple with Valai ERP. Thank you.